meteorologist Mike Simon in the Weather Center for us. Mike, that rain is going to continue tomorrow, too.
Yes, the chance of rain is coming up tomorrow, which is good. We've been very dry lately, and of course it's been extremely hot, and that rain usually is coming with a lot of clouds to help keep us cooler. Right now, though, we have a lot of sunshine. It's been variable, though. Some have mostly cloudy skies. Most spots, though, getting some breaks in those clouds, and we've heated up to around 89 degrees. It feels like 89 right now, even though we've backed off a couple of degrees, and it's 66 for the dew point. That's not terrible, but we'd love to see it below 60, and that makes it feel a lot more comfortable. Our wind is out of the south, and that's what's been bringing us some of that heat. Our radar revealing a few isolated showers, a couple of storms that have developed. Most of us, though, are dry. Those showers and a couple of isolated storms are up near Greene County, and also some of us in Harlan are getting wet, and those areas that you see where the red is showing up, well, that's coming down close to 2 inches per hour. That's an extreme amount right now where I just picked on, which is over 3 inches per hour. And most of the time it's short-lived, but there could be some isolated flooding associated with some of those raindrops. If you're starting your day tomorrow early, maybe you're an early riser, it'll be muggy, 71 degrees. By noon, we're up to 86 and back to 91, very similar to today, but our chance of rain comes up. There's a cold front on the way. I'll let you know how that could impact your plans with your forecast in a few more minutes.
All right, Mike, thanks. Good to have you back.
Thank you.
We'll turn now and get a check of your forecast. Meteorologist Mike Simon in the Weather Center for us. Mike, after a scorcher of a Friday, we finally cooled off a little today.
Yeah, just a little bit for some of us. Now, not everybody got that benefit from the cloud cover that helped suppress our temperatures somewhat. Others, though, we did get up to near 90 degrees, and that is a couple degrees above our normal for this time of the year, but at least it doesn't feel quite as humid as it has in recent days past. You remember last week how bad it was? Well, Gatlinburg camera looks great. We do have partly sunny skies, and there are a couple of sprinkles here and there, maybe an isolated shower developing too, but the majority of us, well, we are dry today, and we could stand to use some rain. Our monthly precipitation is off by over 2 inches right now. Look at our high. It's pretty close to our average. Certainly not the records like we've been experiencing over the past couple of weeks, with a couple of days getting up near there. Current temperature is 87 degrees in Knoxville, but some of us are a little bit hotter, some are cooler. Just depends on how much cloud cover you ended up having. 87 out in Dandridge, we have 86 in Morristown, but it's cooler out in Rogersville. Temperature there is right at about 80 degrees. Well, we have had some mixture of clouds and sun. We're kind of in a stagnant air mass a little bit right now, but that is changing. We are having a cold front that's going to be dropping in out of the north. We have a few showers and storms that have been developing, and if you get some rain, it's going to be a heavy downpour and then eventually rain itself out. Certainly by around sunset, all of this should start to wind down. A couple of isolated showers developing along the mountains is just about it. Our chance of rain going up Sunday and Monday, especially Monday morning. That's not a 50% chance all day. That is primarily going to be early in the morning, just as though Sunday is going to be in the afternoon and the evening. And we have a chance for some of those storms to get pretty strong. So we're going to be on our toes and inform you if they do. Chance of rain really starts to wane quite a bit later in the week as our temperatures come down. Futurecast revealing mostly cloudy skies overnight. There are the isolated showers, just a couple here and there, and then we'll be quiet. By tomorrow morning, we start off mostly cloudy. Some of the areas that got some rain, if you were fortunate enough, you may end up a little light fog or maybe some dense fog in some depressed areas that got some rain, but that should burn away. And we'll have mostly sunny skies later in the afternoon. Clouds will build. This is blowing up a chance of showers and a few storms by later in the evening. That's due to the cold front that'll be dropping in. 71 degrees will be our temperature overnight tonight. That's not bad, pretty close to normal. I think you'll enjoy the day tomorrow mostly, especially if you find a cool spot in the afternoon, because temperatures are getting up to around 91 degrees in full sun. We'll have a southwest wind at 5 to 10, and afterwards our temperatures do back off. So that's some good news there, and also some good news that our chance of rain is a little bit higher over the next 24 to 36 hours. Then they back off as heat comes back by later in the week.
All right, temperatures backing off. That's exactly what we need, Mike. Thank you.